Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have number two. We can do about factorization. Next, we have the formula in here. Ln of AB equals to ln A plus ln B. So this is about A. This is about B. We can apply the formula in here. And we have ln number 2 plus ln of S minus 1. Next, I will put about B equals to this one. And Q equals to this one. Now, we have the S, so we need to do first the derivative of B with respect to Y. So, because first derivative of Y you got about number 1, so we have 1 over S minus 1. We have Q, so we need to do first the derivative of Q. We have dy in here, so we need to do first the derivative of Q with respect to S. So we just have this one in here. First the derivative of ln of S minus 1. We have 1 over S minus 1. We don't have S and S, so if we do first the derivative, you got about 0. So this one equals to this one by 1 over S minus 1. So we can say that this is about exact. Now, I need to set up about the function f(x-y) equals to the integration. That is about this one in here. Plus g(x-y). The integration of the S over S minus 1. You got about y ln of S minus 1 plus g(x-y). Next, we need to do first the derivative of the function with respect to y for the both sides in here. So first the derivative of y, you got about number 1. So we just have only ln of S minus 1. So we know that everything in here equals to this one. So we need to simplify ln of S minus 1 for the both sides. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. This is about the constant. The integration of the constant, you got about y. The integration of 1 over y, we have ln y. And we put about c. Now we return back in here. We know that the integration of this one, you got about g(x-y). So we need to change g(x-y) into this one. And we know that this one equals to f(x-y). f(x-y) equal to c. That's about the constant. So we can simplify. And we can put like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.